Thanks again for joining me on Design Build Workshop. Today we're going to take a look at the Boulder Tools tire repair set. Okay, let's see what's included in this. Got a Velcro patch, so I guess if you wanted to put something else on here, you could. It's we'll work with Molly, so that's nice. I've got that on my Jeep, so that's what I'm gonna hook this up. Let's see, let's go ahead and open this up. So it looks like we've got a good number of plugs to actually use. Got the tool for putting that plug in and putting it down. And I think this gets pulled out when you do it, but I'm sure there's instructions. It looks like this is a type of a lubricant, I'm assuming. A reamer, I guess for cleaning out the hole a little bit better once you pull out the obstruction or whatever was punctured the tire. Pliers, needle nose. I'm sure this is, you know, some super cheap stuff, but it feels all right. Feels serviceable, so that's good. Instructions. We'll have to look at these, see how they translate. I guess you've got a little guide you can capture there and take a look and see if there's anything more in there as far as instructions are concerned. But just from the photos, seems like you can kind of figure it out on exactly what to do. And tire gauge. I wouldn't trust this. I don't think it's, yeah. I don't know. I don't think it goes up to 50 psi. Okay, but still, I think I would probably just. I don't think you need that. And okay, razor knife. Good to have. I guess when you put that in the plug-in, you can just clip it off so it's nice and tight. Oh, and a couple replacement pieces. That's nice. Allen wrench. Oh, there's more. Oh, we've got some valves. Okay, that's pretty cool. I didn't expect that. And a valve wrench. Okay. I'm not sure, like I said, the quality, but you know, we'll have to see how that goes. But I like the kit. Pretty inclusive. Everything seems pretty well constructed. I guess this is how you would replace this piece, because you've got, you know, the other one here and the Allen wrench. So I'm guessing that's where that goes. You've only got the one reamer, but I wouldn't worry about that anyway. So that's decent. Seems like a pretty good kit, and it wasn't very expensive. Got it on Amazon, so I think it's going to be all right. Hey, thanks for joining me on this initial review of the Boulder Tools tire repair kit. If you enjoyed watching the video, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I hope to see you next time on Design Build Workshop.